Welcome, everyone. It is Friday, August 28th or thereabouts, and I'm going to walk you through today's activity. The first thing you're going to do up here is watch your Amoeba Sisters for dichotomous keys. Dichotomous keys are just tools that scientists use through a process of elimination to determine what the animal or specimen might be. So you're going to watch the video. And then you're going to practice using a dichotomous key to identify some critters. Here is the dichotomous key for the lab. I'll show you how to walk through it here in a moment, but it is set up as a Google slide. To get your lab, you're going to click right there. Okay, so you're going to grab your lab sheet. It looks like this. Remember, up here at the top, take out that copy of and put your name. That way we know who it belongs to, because you can see there is no namespace. All right, so you are going to be working in a vegetable garden today. You're weeding and you notice some critters amongst your tomatoes. So you want to know what they are. Here's your critters. And now we're going to follow each organism starting with step 1 through the taxonomic key to decide what they are. Right, so let's start with this little guy right here. We're going to jump over to our PowerSchool page. We're going to look at our taxonomic key. So step 1 wants to know, does it have 8 legs? I don't know. Let me go count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It does have 8 legs. Okay, has 8 legs. So we go on to step 2. Step 2 has an oval-shaped body. Region. Sorry, Ms. Brooks was bugging me. She's complaining about the yucky smell in the hall. Has an oval-shaped body region, sorry. You go to step 4. Does it have an oval-shaped body region? Let's go back and look. I would say that's an oval-shaped body region. So we are going to step 4. Step 4 says is less than 1 millimeter long. I don't know, let me go back and look. Oh, this says it is 5 millimeters. So it's not less than 1, it is more than 1 millimeter long. So that would be our tick. So how do we enter that in? It's a little tricky. Let me show you. You are going to go right here to our graphic. You're going to click right about where you would put the answer or on the graphic. And if you see down here, there is an edit button that pops up. Okay, so you're going to click on the edit button. And here is your graphic. So you're going to click where the tick would enter and you're going to type in tick. And then you're going to save and close. And lo and behold, answer tick appears on your screen. Okay, so you're going to walk through the taxonomic key for the other 5 animals there. I walked through one with you. You're going to walk through the other 5. And then don't forget down here at the bottom to analyze, interpret your data. You need to answer your 4 questions there in complete sentences, and it is completely fine to just delete those spaces. You don't really need them there. If you have any other questions or concerns, please send me a message and I will see you either in class or I will see you Monday.